What lot size should you use in Forex trading? In this video I will share with you a simple guide that will help you to calculate the lot size for your Forex trading account of any size. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. In brief, let me explain to you why should you calculate a lot size for your trades. If you trade Forex with a fixed lot, you should be extremely careful. Too big lot size may lead to substantial losses or even a blown trading account, while with a too small lot you will miss good profit. To calculate the best lot size for your trading account, follow these 6 easy steps. Step number 1. Make the list of all the Forex pairs that you are trading. Let's say that you trade only major Forex pairs: Euro dollar, pound dollar, dollar CAD, dollar yen, Aussie dollar, and New Zealand dollar. Step number 2. Backtest every pair that you trade and identify at least 5 past trading setups on each pair. Here you can see 5 last trades on each Forex pair in our list. Step number 3. Measure the stop loss of each trade in pips. You can see that I went through all the trades and I wrote down all these stop losses and pips. Number 4. Find the trade with the biggest stop loss and pips. Remember this number and the name of a currency pair. In our example, the biggest stop loss is on pound dollar pair. The biggest stop loss is 34 pips. Why do we need to do that? In trading, your lot size will primarily depend on your risks in pips. For example, the scalpers who trade on 15 minutes, 5 minutes time frames can have 10 pips stop losses, while swing traders who trade on a 4-hour time frame or on a daily can have 100 pips stop losses. For that reason, a swing trader will have a smaller lot size than a scalper with the same account size. Step number 5. Open Forex position size calculator. I recommend using BB Pips position size calculator. Then you should fill all the fields. Here you should input your trading account balance. For the sake of the example, let's take $1,000 trading account. In risk percentage, input 2%. Our stop loss is 34 pips and currency pair is pound dollar pair. Remember that if you have the biggest stop loss on some other Forex pair, do not forget to change it. And then press calculate. The idea is that your biggest, the maximum loss should not exceed 2% of your trading account, while the average loss will be around 1%. For the trading account of $1,000 and with such risks, the best lot size will be 0.05 standard lot. Remember that before you start trading on a real account, it is very important to carefully backtest your strategy and know exactly your maximum risks. That will help you to make proper calculations of your lot size. Let me know, traders, in the comment section if you have any questions. Also, traders, for more education, do not forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel, the link in the description below. Also, traders, do not forget to watch my other videos.